Stay hungry, stay foolish. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose. You are already naked. There is no reason not to follow your heart. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Quality is more important than quantity. One home run is much better than 2 doubles. Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. The people who made the Macintosh are sort of on the edge of the business world in a certain way. They're like artists or something. Innovation comes from people meeting up in the hallways or calling each other at 10:30 at night with a new idea, or because they realized something that shoots holes in how we've been thinking about a problem. My favorite things in life don't cost any money. It's really clear that the most precious resource we all have is time.